A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant ruling that underscores the ongoing debates surrounding election integrity, the Georgia Supreme Court has reversed a lower court decision that would have allowed 3,000 absentee ballots to be counted after Election Day in Cobb County. The ruling comes as a response to a previous decision by a lower court that had extended the deadline for these ballots until November 8th, 3 days post-election. This extension was granted to voters who received their absentee ballots late, a situation that arose when Cobb County election officials admitted to delays in mailing out these ballots. The controversy began when it was revealed that over 3,400 voters were affected by the late mailing, with at least 1,000 of those ballots sent to out-of-state voters. The Republican National Committee, RNC, quickly appealed the lower court's decision, arguing that allowing ballots to be counted after Election Day violated Georgia election laws. RNC Chairman Mike Whatley expressed his satisfaction with the Supreme Court's ruling, stating, "Election Day is Election Day, not the week after." The Supreme Court's decision means that voters in Cobb County who received their absentee ballots late must now either vote in person on Election Day or return their ballots to the county elections office by 7 p.m. on that day. The court has instructed county officials to notify affected voters through various channels, including email and text messages. Furthermore, any ballots received after the Election Day deadline but before 5 p.m. on November 8th must be kept separate and sealed. This ruling comes amidst a backdrop of heightened scrutiny on election procedures and the integrity of the voting process, particularly in the wake of the 2020 presidential election. The original extension of the deadline was the result of a lawsuit filed by the American Civil Liberties Union, ACLU, and the Southern Poverty Law Center on behalf of voters who claimed they had not received their ballots on time. Cobb County election officials attributed the delays to equipment malfunctions and an unexpected surge in absentee ballot requests. As the political landscape continues to evolve, this decision by the Georgia Supreme Court is likely to have lasting implications for how absentee voting is handled in the state moving forward. The ruling has been hailed as a victory for those advocating for strict adherence to election laws, while opponents argue that it disenfranchises voters who may have relied on the extension. With Election Day fast approaching, the focus will undoubtedly remain on how these changes will affect voter turnout and the overall electoral process in Georgia. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.